If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then this is the perfect video for you, right? Because in the new update of Instagram, it is really confusing to delete Instagram account. So we have to do one thing. We have to just open our Instagram account. Then we have to just go to the profile and click on the three lines. And after that, we have to just go to the setting, okay? And here we have to go to the help, and from here you have to follow me as I'm doing. Right after that only you can delete your account. Here you have to just click on help center, and after that it will load for a few seconds, and from here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and again it will load, and here you have to click on manage your account. That is the second option, and here you will get the option to delete your account. But guys, this is not the real process of deleting. You will not find any option to delete your account. For example, you can see that we don't want to temporarily deactivate your account. Here the second option, right, delete your Instagram account. But if I click on the drop down, you can see that there is only option to temporarily deactivate your account. There is a no option to delete my account. So what we have to do, we have to do one more thing. Just close this drop down, and you have to go to the access your data on Instagram, and after clicking on the drop down you will get the another option, that is Instagram app for Android and iPhone, right? And here you will get the another option from the iPhone. Just scroll to the last and you will see the option of iPhone, right? So here on the browser you have to do one thing. You have to just, so guys, you have to just close all the drop down, and the first option, that is Instagram, here you have to click on this drop down, and you have to just scroll to a little bit down, and you will see option that Instagram app for iPhone, okay? And just click on here and you will get the option that delete your Instagram, okay? So click on the here delete your Instagram, and it will redirect to your new option. So just let me show you. Okay, so, and after clicking on that you will get the option on the top, that is Android app help. Just click on here and you have to just go to the mobile browser help, okay? So just click on here and it will redirect to your new one, and here from here you can just get the option, but again we don't get option, so you have to click on computer help, okay? And here also we get the same thing, and just scroll to a little bit down, and here you can see that there is option delete your account. So click on the delete on account, and here you get the option, right? So you have to just like, why do you want to delete this account? So you can say that there is a too many, and after that just re-enter the password, and there's option to delete your account. So your profile and account details will be hidden until the January 1, and after that it will get deleted, right? So this is pretty easy guys. You have to just follow the steps which I have shown you, and after that you will easily able to delete the app, right? So delete the ID. So this is it. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.